Optimizing a chemical process requires knowledge about its thermodynamics, whether it's the reaction itself or purification of the products. It all boils down to thermodynamics in the end. With the COSMO-RS module, the Amsterdam modeling suite has a very efficient way to predict thermodynamic properties. For compounds contained in our large database, these predictions are so fast that they can safely be called instant. Let's see how it works. We begin with the simple pure compound, say methanol, and calculate its boiling point. First, we select methanol from the compounds database. Now we can request the boiling point of a pure solvent from the Properties menu and enter an arbitrary pressure range from 0.1 to 1 atmosphere before running the calculation. In this case, COSMO-RS predicts a boiling point of 333.3 K, that's 60.3 Celsius for pure liquid methanol at 1 atmosphere. That's pretty close to the experimental value of 64.7 Celsius. Let's mix in some ethanol and see how that changes things. Select boiling point mixtures from the Properties menu and add the compound ethanol with a mole fraction of 0.5. Keep the pressure range at 0.1 and 1 atmosphere. The red curve now shows the total vapor pressure, while the blue and green curves are the partial pressures of ethanol and methanol. The boiling point for this mixture is now predicted to be 339.8 K, that's 66.7 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere. At the boiling point, COSMO-RS predicts that the vapor consists of about 69% methanol. The displayed properties can be changed in the menu graph. Here the activity coefficient of the compounds are displayed. But what if a compound is not found in the database? Well, in this case, it can either be estimated on the spot or permanently added to the database using a suitable preset for our DFT code ADF. With the help of COSMO-RS, many more systems and properties can be calculated, such as the solubility or phase diagrams for vapor-liquid or liquid-liquid equilibria. All of these applications are well documented with step-by-step tutorials on our website. I have put an according link in the video description. As always, we're happy to answer comments and questions below this video.